5-tile square wire shelf. This one is very popular for you to use near the corner. And the model number for this one is LD 4545150B5C. The size for this one is 415 and 415. The height is 1.8. This one with 4 adjustable level feet. If the ground is larger on the same level, you can adjustable here. Here to make them on the same level. You see, like this one. This is also chrome finish, and the loading weight for this one can reach to 14. Okay, this is our home storage wire shelf. For all these wire shelf, we have stock in warehouse. If you want, we can deliver to you within 2 weeks.